children, today we are going to learn like fractions and unlike fractions. What are like fractions? Fractions that have same denominator are called like fractions. Now let's see some examples for like fractions. 1 over 10, 3 over 10 and 5 over 10. In these fractions, denominators are same, so these fractions are like fractions. Now let's see another example. 1 over 8, 6 over 8 and 2 over 8. In these fractions, denominators are same, so we can call these fractions like fractions. Now let's see what are unlike fractions. Fractions that have different denominators are called unlike fractions. Now we'll see some examples. First one, 2 over 5, 2 over 4 and 2 over 6. In these fractions, denominators are different, so these fractions are called unlike fractions. Now let's see another example. 1 over 6, 4 over 9 and 5 over 12. In these fractions, denominators are different, so these fractions are called unlike fractions. Children, I hope you can understand what are like fractions and what are unlike fractions. See my next video to learn types of fractions.